Everyone, this is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find and recover your deleted apps on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is just simply go to the Google Play Store. So you can see this application right here, Google Play Store. This is where you download everything. Go to the top right, go to your profile, tap your profile. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Then under here we go to Manage. Now you can see your apps on here. So if you ever delete an app, you can see all our different apps on here. We can go to not installed apps. So these are apps that were on your account at one point in time. So if you delete them off your phone, you should be able to find them under here. We tried recently updated too. These might be more recent applications that you might have deleted. So I have a lot of Epson Print, Microsoft Outlook, 365, XP Hero, etc. So you can just tap one of these and you can re-download them to your account. So let's go to this one right here, tap it. We can go to download right here. And we should be able to get it back on my phone now. So hopefully this video did help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.